Hello, in this video you will learn to monitor entities and events using Groups feature in Helix Operations Management. You will know what is a group, the user personas to create and monitor groups, what constitutes a group, and how to create and monitor a group. With some examples, group is a logical container to filter and group entities and/or events to monitor the health of your IT infrastructure environment. For example, any infrastructure device that can be monitored is treated as an entity. The events generated in the system due to these entities can also be grouped. In Helix Operations Management, these entities and events are filtered based on matching criteria and logically grouped as a unit. The goal is to monitor the grouped entities as a single logical container. You must be a tenant administrator to create, edit, or delete a group. You can also associate a group to one or more authorization profiles. You can monitor a group as a tenant administrator, or any operator user associated with the authorization profile. You can view the group impact summary and view the individual group details. From the group details, you can perform the permitted event operations and drill down to view the individual entity and event details. A group is defined using the entity and event selection queries. You can select both or only one as part of a group definition. Each entity query filters devices by agent hostname, agent operating system, device name, or device IP address. Each event filters users. Many different parameters including class, hostname, locations, ports, and so on. For more information, visit BMC Helix Operations Management documentation. Now, let me show you some examples. I want to filter and group events, with events containing a message string core banking, and another query with events that contain a message network mon within it. Let me demo the examples to you. First, I will create a group core banking monitor, and specify the event selection criteria, with event slots. Because we want to group a set of events with a specific message, I am using the class equals events and tag equals core banking slots. Remember, the tag slot used is just an event slot to identify group of events of a particular type. It is not to be confused with the tag feature. The preview result is 0 as there are no such events at the time of creation. Save the group. From the Monitoring, Groups view, refresh and check if there are events that impact the group's status and severity. Click and view the group details. From Group Details page, check for the core banking message and observe the timestamp of each event. You can perform the even operations by using the Event Operations menu. Meanwhile, I have created a group network monitor, with an event selection criteria, having the event slots, class equals events and tag equals network mon. Refreshing the groups view to see if there are events that impact the group's severity. Once the event arrives, check the event details for network mon text in those events. Now, we have two groups, one for monitoring the core banking events, and another for monitoring the network events. As an exercise, try creating a group to monitor specific devices in your IT environment. You can read more about this from the BMC online documentation. Thanks for watching this video.